Namaste. Students, let us work out a different kind of problem today. See here, Rajesh and Mohan enter into a joint venture as dealers in land and opened a joint bank account with 6 lakh towards which Rajesh contributed 4 lakh. That means Rajesh has brought the capital worth rupees 4 lakh and remaining 2 lakh Mohan. They agree to share profits and losses in the proportion to their cash contribution. So it is 4:2. They purchased a plot of land measuring 500 square yards for rupees 5 lakh. It was decided to sell the land in smaller plots and a plan was got prepared at the cost of 12,000. So plan preparation 12,000. In a set plan, so this should be 1 by 5. Okay, print mistake. Because half no one will give. 1/5 of the total area of land was left over for public roads. Okay, 1/5. And remaining land was divided into 8 plots of equal size. Out of 8 plots, 3 plots were sold for rupees 180 per square yard and remaining 5 plots were sold at rupees 160 per square yard. Now, sale price we have to calculate based on this information. Expenses incurred in connection with the plots were registration expenses, stamp duty and other expenses. So expenses appear in the joint venture account. Allow 2% on sale proceeds as a commission to Rajesh. Prepare necessary ledger accounts. Okay, first let us calculate the sale proceeds. Calculation of sale proceeds of land. Purchased plot of land 5,000 square yards. What they said, for public road they have to leave some space, no? 1/5. So 5,000 into 1 by 5, 1,000 square yards. So total whatever they are getting for sale is only 4,000 square yards. So we have to calculate for only 4,000 square yards. They said it is divided into 8 plots. So 4,000 divided by 8. So 500 square yards each. It's like a site. If you have like 4,000 square yards, then 8 sites you are making. So each site will be 500 square yards. So same thing. Sale proceeds of 3 plots at 180 per square yard. So 3 into 500. 500 square yards are there, no? So 1,500. So into 180 at rupees 180, 2,70,000. So remaining 5 plots at 160 per square yard. So 5 plots, total square yard 500, right? 2,500 into 160, 4 lakh. So total sale price is 6,70,000. Now let us prepare joint venture account. So the first one is to joint bank account 5 lakh. You know all the expenses we are writing on the debit side. So 5 lakh is the purchase of land. Okay. Then to joint bank account plan preparation fees 12,000. To joint bank account expenses 54,000. Registration, stamp duty, other expenses. Everything we have to take into consideration. So total expenses of all these are 54,000. Then commission for Rajesh. For commission we require what is the sale price? Just now we calculated 6,70,000 into 2% of it. So 13,400. Yes. Now sale of land we calculated 6,70,000. So total 6,70,000. Balancing figure 90,600. You have to calculate based on the ratio. What is the ratio? They said capital contribution 4 lakh is to 2 lakh, right? 4:2. That means 2:1. So you have calculated this 90,600 into the ratio. You got this. Now what you are supposed to do is you have to prepare the ledger accounts of Rajesh. So Rajesh, 2 joint bank account, his capital 4 lakh. 2 joint venture account 13,400 commission. 2 joint venture account, his share in the profit. So total 4,73,800. He is not getting any shades or other things. So payment is made in cash. Joint bank account 4,73,800. Same thing for Mohan. Joint bank account, his capital 2 lakh. Joint venture, his share in the profit 30,200. So total cash payment made to Mohan 2,30,200. Next comes joint bank account. So this is receipt side, credit side is the payment side. Receipt side, what cash receipts are there? Cash receipts. Rajesh capital 4 lakh, Mohan's capital 2 lakh, and joint venture sale price 6 lakh 70,000. These are the cash received. What are the payments made? For purchase of land from bank account we paid, then other expenses 12,000, then 54,000. This is for a plan preparation, right? And 54,000 other expenses. Then Rajesh, how much we paid? Yeah, 4 lakh 73,800 and 2 lakh 30,200. That is also we are making the payment. So the account gets closed. So it should get tally bank account. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.